England and Wales received 5 flood signals due to rain. The disaster affected 200 cities, northern England and coastal regions. Residents were asked not to leave their homes unnecessarily. 2,000 houses were evacuated in Greater Manchester, where the most difficult situation arose. Thunderstorms are accompanied by strong winds, snow in places. The electrical wires were damaged and the utilities were not working. During the storm, 56 hours more precipitation fell than the monthly rainfall, and water in rivers rose to critical levels. In Wales, residents of Bangor-na-Dee in Wrexham have fled their homes. Road and rail links were affected in the rain zones, and trains between Liverpool and Manchester and Leeds and York were cancelled. The flood situation was exacerbated by the melting of snow. Prime Minister Boris Johnson has arrived in the northwestern part of the country. He said the storm had caused unrest in Britain and affected much of the country from the floods. However, the shower will continue next week. Within hours, the British capital received monthly rainfall, flooding many streets. On average, nearly 47 milliliters of rainfall is forecast for the whole month in July. However, according to the Met Office, Redbridge, East London, he received 51 milliliters of precipitate in just 3 hours. Other parts of the south of England were also flooded. The town of Hoddesdon in Hertfordshire received 50 milliliters of special rain in 2 hours. Also on Monday, July 26, a spokesman for the meteorological department announced the heavy rain, but I don't think it's going to be such a day, he said. Waterways flow to Stratford Pudding Mill Lane Underground Station. Kennington Underground Station, south of the capital, and Hackney Wick Station are similar. Walthamstow, Kingston and Worcester Park subways were found impossible. London firefighters said on Sunday they had received more than 300 calls at 4:30. Police recall that their vehicles were not submarines. Whipps Cross University Hospital in Leightonstone urged patients to be transferred to another emergency room if possible.